相談しました。
いや、聞きやすい。
で呼ばれていったんですよ。
Hello, darkness, my
呼ばれてないからすごい。
I've come to talk with you again because you do something creepy that this is what I was thinking and a vision that would travel in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In this dream I walk along narrow street of cobblestone in the halo of any street lamp. I turn my collar to the golden when my eye was stared by the flash of neon light, the splitting night, and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People running song. Our voices never shared. No one did disturb the sound of silence. Who's are you to not know? Silence like a cancer slows. In my world that I might teach you. Take my arm that I might reach you. But my words like silent rain of hell and echo in the web of silence. And the people butterfly to the neon garden day. And the sign price that is morning in the water it was for me. And the sign says the words of a prophet are written on the subway wall. A telephone, a whisper in the sound of silence.